Happy Thanksgiving, viewers, subscribers, and fans! Welcome back to another prank video out of my dog. Today, we're going to do something that's really hilarious. Today, I'm going to be doing a whipped cream prank on my dog. I bought this container about a week ago. Today I'm going to be pranking my dog about whipped cream. If you believe that whipped cream is going to be there, if you're going to prank my dog... Oh, excuse me. Excuse me for a minute. I got this toy spider in here where it's going to be real. And also, this spider is going to give Pete turkey flu. So life is going to be rough for Pete. R-U-F-F. So anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you have a YouTube account. And guys, I want to give you guys a little heads up because this Saturday I'll be making. I will be making a the Mario Enemy Saves Christmas movie. So if you really want to see it, if you like to see it, or you're interested, please subscribe and ring the bell so you can get all notifications. I'll just make one part like every week until the last weekend before Christmas. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy it. What? Come here. Wow. Today, it's Thanksgiving, but in dog language, it's supposed to be rough giving. Today, all I got here is a great batch of pies and cookies. So, as you see here earlier today, you don't know what's inside? I tell you this. These are cookies and pie. I am waiting for the whipped cream for those cookies and pies. So, I really hope that my best friend Robert is giving me whipped cream. Oh, hi guys, I'm Pete. Woohoo! 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 Yeah! Woohoo! Wow! Does this happen every single time when I introduce myself every single video? It is true, Pete, because you will be a YouTube star. So anyways, as I was saying, life is rough. R-U-F-F. I was supposed to have pie, but there is no whipped cream. I really want to put it in the center and maybe all around the pie. But I need it. So someone is about to get it. Anyways, guys, I want to see what will I get. So where is the whipped cream? Oh, hi Pete. Today, I brought the whipped cream back on Monday. And guess what? I shoplift a whipped cream. Some whipped cream. Anyways, I'm just kidding, okay? Here's a lesson to you guys. Please do not shoplift, otherwise you will have to pay all the things that you're responsible to do. So please, if I say the word shoplift, please do not shoplift when you go to a store. Anyways, guys, I just want to give my best friend whipped cream. Yes! Whipped cream! Whipped cream! Whipped cream? Aw, thank you so much, Robert. Or muchas gracias, or whatever language you speak. Anyways, I found this cool whipped cream. Not only that, Pete, it's golden whipped cream. Golden Oreo whipped cream. Golden Oreo whipped cream? For dogs. Yes! Not only that, there is a gold Oreo mascot in there. Really? It is? Yes, it is. Wait a minute. Is this true or something? Because remember what happened? You know what really happened? Yes, I know what happened. Because I realized that... Oh, sorry about that. Today... So, as I was saying, Pete, whatever's inside is 100% real. Please don't do that, okay? Otherwise you will be spoiled. Makes no sense. Also, I am not falling for it. Just fall for it, okay? I know that there's just been like over 10 prank videos that I already posted on YouTube. Oh yeah, if I get pranked, do not post it on YouTube. I'm sorry, but we had to show this to all of our fans. Well, no matter what, I want to see what's inside this whipped cream. Oh, sorry guys. Anyways guys, did you have a good Thanksgiving today? I hope you do. Oh yeah, please don't forget that my best friend last weekend my best friend uploaded a video called the Mario Enemies Thanksgiving or so, or the Koopa Special, whatever he has. If you really like to watch his Thanksgiving special, don't worry, he will put a link in the description. Anyways guys, I want to see what's inside this whipped cream box. What is this? What is this? What is this? This is really not true, Pete. Here, I'll show you what is true. It's a spider! Help! There's an arachnid! It's a spider! I don't want to see that little arachnid. Don't want to see it because it's distracting me. Ow, that hit me in my paw. Really? This doesn't make any sense. Oh boy, that spider gave me a heart attack. Like really, a heart attack. I said get it off! 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 Oh boy. Hey, stop doing that. Hey Pete, there's a spider in your diaper. Wait, what? There's a spider in the diaper. What? Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! The spider's right there. It made it out. Hey Pete, guess what? What? You got pranked. Really, Pete? You were scared of a toy spider? Actually, this spider's really not that real. It's a toy spider. Every single time when I touch it, I was like, yeah, just kidding. Anyway, I hope this part is really funny. This is Robert here. I just want to say a happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I want to say happy Thanksgiving to all my viewers, subscribers, and fans from me. Anyways, this is Robert here. This is a spider who thinking about this prank from in the whipped cream, and this is Pete. What do you want to say? I just want to say a happy Thanksgiving to everyone, and happy rough giving to all dogs, because today life is rough. R-U-F-F. Rough. 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 Life is rough. Anyway, here, let's show them again. Oh boy. Anyways, goodbye.